Hey everyone, and welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a quick but important task, resetting your Google Nest Doorbell. Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues or getting it ready for a new owner, a reset can be a handy fix. There are two main types of Nest doorbells, wired and battery-powered. The reset process is slightly different for each, so we'll cover both. Let's jump in. Resetting your Nest Doorbell, battery-powered. Find the reset hole. Flip your doorbell over and locate the small pinhole on the back, typically below the charging port. Grab a paperclip. You'll need a tiny tool to press the reset button inside the hole. A straightened paperclip or a thumbtack works perfectly. Hold for 10 seconds, gently insert the tool, and press the button inside. Hold it down for 10 seconds. Light show. As you hold, the status light will blink yellow 4 times. You might also hear a countdown chime. Don't worry, this is all part of the reset process. Solid yellow, then release. After 12 seconds, the light will turn solid yellow. This signifies the reset is almost complete. Hold for another second or two, and then you can release the button. Confirmation chime. You'll hear a final chime to confirm the reset. The doorbell will restart, and the light will turn white briefly before going off entirely. Resetting your Nest Doorbell, wired. Safety first. Before you begin, make sure the doorbell is powered off at the breaker box. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical wiring. Locate the reset hole. Similar to the battery version, there's a tiny reset hole on the bottom of the doorbell head, usually between the power cord and the camera neck. Paperclip power. Just like before, use your trusty paperclip and press the button inside the hole. Hold for 20 seconds. This time, you'll need to hold the button for a full 20 seconds. The light will change colors and you might hear some beeps, but keep holding until the reset is complete. Confirmation chime. Once again, a chime will indicate a successful reset. The doorbell will reboot and you're good to go. After the reset, remember, resetting your Nest Doorbell wipes out all its settings and pairings. You'll need to remove it from the Google Home app and set it up again from scratch. Conclusion. That's all there is to resetting your Google Nest Doorbell. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.